This is just a quick little tutorial on how to upload your files when you've created them in a Word document. For some of you, I know you've never taken an online class before, and there's some of you I've noticed have already submitted, so you must be familiar with the process. So this can be a review, or for those of you who have never submitted a file before, this is just going to be a little bit of an explanation. Here we are in the class. You can see this is the front page. I'm going to switch my role to a student so that you can see exactly what you should be seeing. Okay, this is the student view. And if you notice over here is the calendar that I've been mentioning in the announcements that tells you some upcoming due dates. So the next due date that you have is this coming Monday, and that is for the discussion questions, which are right here. Now remember that when I set these modules up, you're always going to have the reading first, and it's usually going to go discussion questions, discussion forum, and then the short paper. So if you're in doubt of what is going to be due when, make sure just to check your schedule of assignments up here in the resource area at the top. But in this case, the agrarian discussion questions are going to be due Monday. So if you click on that, you can see, okay, here's the assignments. Let's say you've answered all your questions. You want to save that file as something you'll remember. So after you've typed in your questions, your discussion question answers, we're just going to save it as something we can remember. So let's say Humanity 122 Agrarian DQ, and you can choose whatever you like. And remember, you want to save it as a rich text format, so where you have save as type, just pull down and you should find rich text format. And remember, this will allow me to open it on whatever computer. Some of my computers will not open certain files, but with rich text format I can open it on any computer I'm on anywhere. Alright, we're going to go ahead and save it somewhere where you'll be able to find it. I always save all my files in my documents. Okay, and you can see up here at the top now it's changed to a name, so it's saved. Okay, now at the very bottom under all of this, you'll see something that says submission draft, no file submitted yet, so you haven't submitted anything yet. And then what you're going to want to do is just go ahead and browse. If you saved it under documents, go to there. Wherever you save your file, that's where you're going to find it. And in this case, then I just got to scroll and find Humanity 122 Agrarian discussion questions I saved. Open it, and you see how it'll show up there then. And then you just have to click upload this file. And now if you look back down here at the bottom, it says submission draft, and now that file is actually listed there that you submitted, and you can actually click on it and it'll bring it up and you can read it from there. If need be, you can upload multiple files, but you shouldn't have to. But this is the way that you upload files for everything. So if you're doing your short papers, you'll upload that the same way. The only thing that's different is the discussion forum, because that's not actually something you're uploading, it's just something you're adding to the discussion itself. You're just answering this question in the forum. Hopefully this helps you understand a little bit better how to submit the assignment. If you still have questions, please by all means let me know.